For us, our caravan is just on a year old now, and safety is paramount to us, and protecting it is paramount to us. So when we got this Protec Towing Jacket, this is how it arrived. And Michelle will tell you, it's really light in the bag.
I couldn't believe it when we took it out of the box. It's such a lightweight object. It comes in this great carry bag. It's got the strap on it, as you can see, and it has a little envelope opening that you just fold back to remove the jacket from it. But it's great. It's easily wipe cleanable, and it's so portable and easy to handle, isn't it?
I mean, these windows on our caravan, the two side windows, to replace one of those, if they got a stone chip, that would cost you between £300 and £400 a window. The centre one, is nearer to £700 to £800 just to replace this window. So a towing jacket for us, for stopping chips, stone chips, or even insects that can fly in and damage it, it's just a no-brainer. Yeah. So let's have a look inside.
Yes, and it comes in two pieces.
Okay, so when you're putting the jacket on, if you just open them up, you'll find one of them sides has got a Protec logo. I bet it's your side.
This one.
Right, so we'll just change places.
Yep.
So the Protec logo will go on the left-hand side of the caravan. I'll do my side first. Obviously, the inside is the white part, and that just literally goes into the awning rail. Just slide it up all the way so it goes in, and then just drop it down past the opening, and then the same, Michelle will do the same on the other side. All you do then is just bring both covers together, and there's two zips at the bottom. So if I zip that up, you just hold it together.
It's a double-ended zip, so it opens from the bottom, will pull up, and also from the top, and it will pull down. And it's got this great stretch fabric on either side of the zip. And then there's a little Velcro attachment at the very top to secure it together.
And at the bottom as well.
And at the bottom.
So that's the cover. Once you've zipped it up, just pull it up just a little bit on both sides if you can. And then at the bottom, you've got two pull-out clips on either side. So they just literally clip behind here.
It's a little hook on a bungee cord, so you literally pull it down and then clip it to the underside of the caravan, like so.
On the A-frame, there's also
it's a little strap that when you pass it under, it buckles together, and it just gives a more secure.
Just holds the two sides under the A-frame. And that is really it.
That is it. I'd just like to mention, if you are struggling to zip it up, if you're doing it with just one person on their own, there are Velcro fastenings from here all the way down on either side of the jacket, and you can just loosen them, open them up, which will allow you to zip up the jacket more easily, and then just secure the Velcro fastening again. Now these jackets, they've got little perspex panels that will allow your lights to be exposed if you're travelling in the dark.
Yeah, also on this particular variant, it's got Velcro covers, so you've got access to the grab handles, and that's on both sides. So brilliant. Yeah, they've really thought of everything, haven't they?
This is an additional extra. You have to pay a little bit more to have these little pockets in them.
But as we said about the logo, if you wanted your own logo or your own picture or flag or whatever, they will accommodate and put that on the other side. Really straightforward. It's wonderful, and also just protects the front of your caravan. Yeah. Absolutely wonderful.
From any exhaust fumes, spray from the roads, dirt, debris, chippings. It's brilliant, and you just saw how quick and easy that was to fit.
Yeah. We're really, really impressed with it.
We love it.